Parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel and perpendicular lines, because the slope controls the tilt of the line, it should make sense to you that parallel lines are going to have the exact same slope. Remember, anytime you're asked for the equation of the line, the first thing on your mind ought to be what's the slope. Perpendicular lines are going to have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. In other words, their product is going to be -1. So if the slope of one line is 7, the slope of all lines parallel to it is 7. The slope of all lines perpendicular to it are going to be -1/7. You flip that puppy over, you change its sign. I've got an example on the board. We've got a line that's 4x minus 2y equals 8. We're going to find the equations of the line that pass through this, that are parallel to this line and pass through that point, and also perpendicular to this line and pass through that point. First thing we need to do is solve this equation for y and find our slope. We can write 4x minus 8 equals 2y. So 2x minus 4 is equal to y, divided by 2. So the slope of this line is 2. Now, if I want the equation of the line that's parallel, then it's going to have a slope of 2 also. The equation of the line is going to be y minus 2 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 3. Solve that for y, we get y plus 2 equals 2x minus 6. So y is equal to 2x minus 8. And if you graph these two lines on your calculator, y equals 2x minus 4 and y equals 2x minus 8, you can see that these two lines are parallel. Now, if I want perpendicular, the slope of this line is still 2. Perpendicular means that I'll flip this puppy over, change its sign. So the slope of my perpendicular lines is going to be a -1/2. Remember, negative reciprocals. You flip that puppy over, you change its sign. Then you do the same thing. You're going to have y minus 2 equals -1/2 times the quantity x minus 3. That gives us y plus 2 equals -1/2 x plus 3 over 2. So y is going to be equal to -1/2 x plus 3 over 2 minus 2. Now 2 with the denominator 2 is 4 over 2. So that's going to give me 4 over 2. So the equation of the line is like this: -1/2 x minus 1/2. If you graph these two lines on your calculator, they are perpendicular. It may not look perpendicular because the calculator, the way it's built, naturally skews or distorts your view a little bit. If you hit your zoom button, I believe it's zoom 5 for zoom square, maybe zoom 7. But hit zoom and then look for zoom square, and then you can see that these two lines are going to look perpendicular.